boardroom update. July 11th, I think. There we go. There's Peepers. Hi, Peep. Hi. Look who it is. I know you want out. You want out, Loki and Tucker? There you are. There's Jasmine and Benny. And there's the little man. Say hi, Uncle Gary. Sweetie. I know, Daddy. You don't like that camera. I know. What you gonna do, Sonny? Oh, my girl. Daddy. I'm gonna get you, Daddy. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get Daddy. Honk, honk. All right, then. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. I love you, Sonny. I love you. Alrighty. There's JT. I'm letting you out right now. Everybody comes out.